Okay, so basically integration is just reverse differentiation.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, integration is just reverse differentiation. So let's take 1a for instance. Okay. So when you want to integrate, okay, we are actually, the notation is this. This is the notation for integration. You know that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, actually, do you know what we are finding when we are integrating?
Like an area.
An area. Do you know why?
I don't know, but I know it's an area.
Okay. So let's say we have this graph. Okay. So when we try to integrate from say A to B.
Yeah.
When we try to integrate from A to B, okay, people in the past, right, they don't really have, they don't know the method to find area under a curve. Okay, all they know how to find is area of rectangles, area of circle, or even area of triangles. All these, there are standard formulas to it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is what, length times breadth.
Yeah.
This is what? This is pi r square.
Yeah.
And this is half times
Base times height.
base times height. But let's say now if I want to find this area here,
Yeah.
how on earth am I going to do it?
You put it into range, so like A, and then over like the integration thing. And
Yeah,
then
I know. As in, like, what if you didn't know about this method called integration?
Then you
I mean,
can't.
of course, right now, if you want to integrate this thing, it'd be like integrating from A to B, fx dx, right? This is what you will do. But let's say if you didn't know, you only know you only know this, how to find this, how to find this, and how to find this.
Then you can't find. You try to split it into like the areas.
Very good, correct. So this is what they did last time. Okay. So what they did was, obviously they are not going to use circles to find it. They are using area of rectangles to find it. So this is one area of rectangle. We have another area of rectangle again.
Yeah.
Another area of rectangle again. So there will be a lot of rectangles. Okay. Okay. If you were to see, if I were to increase the width of the rectangle,
There's like a gap.
yes, that's what I want to hear. There'll be gaps. There'll be gaps over here. Okay, so if I were to sum up all the areas of rectangles, it will be an underestimation, isn't it? Because I'm not like tabulating in these gaps. If I were to sum all these area of rectangles.
Yeah.
Yeah. If sum all these area of rectangles, I'll be underestimating the true area under the curve. Okay. So what they did was they reduce the width. They reduce the width. Width means this thing. The width, yeah. They reduce the width of every rectangle to be like almost negligible. So it becomes like a straight line.
Yeah.
Okay, it becomes like a straight line. So it becomes like just a straight line. A rectangle, a very infinite number of rectangles with negligible width. So they're going to sum up all these rectangles. Yeah. So that is why. So to find area of rectangles is basically fx, which is the y value, right? which is every single value here is fx, right? Right?
Yeah.
Fx multiplied by its corresponding x value. Okay, and they are going to sum this up. They're going to sum this area of rectangles up. But there is a restriction to it. The restriction to it is that, okay, this is the area of rectangle. The restriction to it is that they want the x, okay, to be very close to 0.
Yeah.
Okay. They want the x to be very, very close to 0. Oh, sorry, hold on. And they want...
Wait, like, when you say, like, the sum of f of x times x, where did you get x from again? Because f of x is, like...
Basically, it's the width of the rectangle. It's the width of the rectangle over here. Like, let's say this is the rectangle, right?
The width of the line.
This is x. This thing here is fx, because fx is the y value.
Yeah.
Makes sense. But now x is negligible because we want x to be as small as possible.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we want infinite amount of values of this. So we want n to tends towards infinity. So this x, right, because it's so small, mathematicians name it as delta x.
Yeah.
Okay, they gave this x a name called delta x. That's why you have this dx over here. And whatever you have your limit of n tends to infinity and summation, right, this becomes a summation symbol. This f like looking symbol, right, is actually an s. It represents summation. It's not an f. It represents an s.
Yeah.
It means summation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I just wanted to tell you this story so that you understand what each and every symbol represents. Because after that, when we move on to area, right, it's very important that we understand that, okay, this is what we are finding. Especially for IB. For A levels, they don't really test stuff like that. But for IB, you never know how they can tweak the question. Especially now you're taking like the September paper, I'm not sure how they can tweak the questions. If you're taking a May paper, I'm pretty sure you're in a very safe zone.
Why?
Because I'm looking at the current IB SL papers, right? Like from ACS in-depth and SJI, is extremely difficult.
Wait, what do you mean for November?
Like I'm not sure how they can tweak the questions, because I think the paper for May has been already set before the new syllabus came out.
No, I'm taking like basically September paper is like an internal exam.
Oh, okay.
But then that's really important because like I need it for my predictions to apply for uni. And then in November I'm taking like the actual exam, the actual IB paper.
Wait a minute. Okay, wait. So September you are taking like a preliminary exam so that you can use that result to apply for uni, right?
Yeah.
Then after that, in November you are going to take the real exam again.
Yeah.
But why would you need to do that if you are using the September results to apply for uni?
Like because I need to get like a good diploma score. Like
but
the September ones is not like it's not gonna be on the diploma. It's just gonna be a prediction.
Yeah, but it is sufficient enough for you to apply to uni, right?
Yeah, apply to uni to get an offer, and then you need to meet the conditions with your actual score.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, basically, I'm taking the November exam.
Okay. Okay, so let's get into the real business. Just now was just...
Wait, but like the November exam this year is still the same syllabus, right?
It should be, because, but the thing is, I don't know how how they can change the questions, because the current papers are very tough.
They're not gonna. What do you mean? How do they change the questions?
Like as in like the way they, because they are going to set the paper, right?
They already said it.
Or
The
they have
November,
already, okay, if they have already said it, then it's fine. But because looking at the questions right now is damn crazy.
like November paper was set a year ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now let's get it back into business. Integrate 10 to the power x dx. Okay, previously when we want to differentiate 10 to the power, sorry, x to the power of 10, what we did was we bring down the 10, right?
Yeah.
Then after that, we minus 1 from the power, which is 9.
Yeah.
Yeah. But now, for integration, we are doing it in reverse. So what we're going to do is, okay, do you know what we're going to do?
X to the power of 11 over 11.
Yes. So you add 1 to the power divided by the new power, then you have to plus C.
Plus C. Yeah.
Correct. So what about B? For 1, integrate 1 over x to the power of 5.
So you do it like X to the, you change it into a like.
Are you using
X,
iPad?
yeah.
Okay, you can write.
Wait, is it X to the minus 5?
Yes.
And then you put that here. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, correct.
It's wait. Well, if you do like X, it's X.
How do you translate this? Okay, firstly, whenever you see any constant, you got to bring it out. Okay, so from here, we will be factorizing out any constant first. 100% you have to take out the constant. Then you have your square root x to the power of 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, square root x to the power of 3. So square root, fractions, and decimals, these are things that we don't really like. Okay, so we want to change it into index form. So how do we change the square root into index form?
Into a fraction. No.
As
It's
into index form. You know, as index form.
Yeah, it's x cubed to the minus 1.
No, square root basically means to the power of half. Cube root.
Oh yeah.
Will be to the power of 1/3.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we have all the way until November. Don't forget the integration symbol.
Wait, but like, can you not just do like 4x cubed to the power to half?
No, we should always take out the constant. You should
So, like,
always take out the constant. Yes.
Okay. So you just when you integrate it, you just do like with the x cubed to the half.
So from here, hold on. So x to the power of a to the power of b will be equals to x to the power of ab.
Yeah. That's, oh no, it's plus c. Is that wrong?
Why do you think it's wrong?
Yeah, x when you add one.
Firstly, right? Why is this symbol still here? Secondly, right? You didn't add 1 to the power.
I did 2/2. Yeah, it's 5/2.
Oh, this is a 5.
Yeah. It's x. Yeah, it's x.
I couldn't tell it's a 5. So your answer was this, right?
Yeah, over 5/2.
Okay, can. You have to bracket this up. And you got to simplify.
2.5.
Yeah. You cannot, okay. So the rule is that you cannot have a fraction in the denominator.
Okay.
You understand? You cannot have a fraction within a fraction. Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Okay, usually what I will do is this. Because you know you're dividing by 3/2, right? When you divide by 3/2, it means
It's
that...
5/2.
Oh, sorry. When you divide by 5/2, right? Okay, it will flip. You know that, right? If you want to bring it up, it will flip. Yeah, so it become 4 x to the power of 5/2 multiplied by 2/5,
Yeah.
which is equals to 8/5 x to the power of 5/2. You should present it like that.
Okay.
Okay? Can?
Yeah. Yeah.
Great. Can you show me B?
Wait, what? B. Key, but there's no X.
Agree. I mean, in this case, we are not looking at X. In this case, we are looking at T.
P.
T. Because we are integrating with respect to T. Can you see? Right over here.
Yeah. But then if you integrate 4, 4t. Wait, what? No. Yeah, you get like...
Integrate 4 dt. So where's the t? Is there a t there?
No.
You can't see it, right? Because it's actually 4t to the power of
0.
yes. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, right?
Also, it just becomes 4t. Yeah. It's just 4td. 4t plus c. Yeah.
Awesome. Next.
Yeah.
D.
You do... Oh, wait. Yeah.
Okay, good. I don't think I have any problem with this. We are moving on.
Yeah.
Okay, actually I want to see this again. Yo,
Yeah.
can you try this?
Okay. Is that wrong?
This is a fifth root. It's not a...
Oh my god, it's not 5. Jeez. Okay. So it's to the power of 5. Mhm. This is a 5.
For this, right, presentation-wise, you will get penalized, man.
So yeah, it's x to the 9 to the 5.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. I think these questions are too fundamental for you. Time for the real deal.
Yeah.
Okay, you try this out. I'm going to grab a cup of water. Okay, I'm back. 4x to the power of 5 plus 8x. Okay. So, I'm going to find expression for fx. You integrated this. Good.
I kind of like my step.
Hello?
I think it's wrong. So,
This integration is correct.
yeah, but like
But
the last.
yes, so this is technically your this is technically your fx really, right?
So I don't. Yeah.
No, but the problem is we have a c here. We have an unknown. So
Yeah,
how
I
do we
use
find this c? Yeah, there's a reason why they give you these coordinates.
I thought you just sub it in
Yeah, you have to state when
x equals to 8.
x equals to 0, ma'am.
Oh shit! I read it the wrong way around. Oh my god. That's why I was like, why am I not getting an answer? Okay. How did it, oh. So yeah, when x yeah, okay, yeah. Okay. No, but when like 4 times 0, you get 0. You get C. C is just 0. C is just 8. I mean,
Hello?
C is 8.
Yeah, you got to conclude it.
Yeah.
Nice.
What? The volume of a sphere is increasing?
So basically, this is what they gave you. What they want now is the equation of V. How do you do that? It's just like previously you had dy dx. Then you want to get y. What do you do?
Yeah, you just integrate it.
Exactly.
Wait, so I just integrate dv over t. I didn't.
So you just have to integrate dv dt.
But then, like, it says the initial volume was pi centimeters
Okay,
cubed.
so every single statement is trying to tell you something. The reason why they told you this is for you to integrate. Okay? The reason why they told you this was to give you the initial conditions, which means they're trying to tell you that, okay, when initial means what? When t equals to 0, v is equals to pi. That's what they're trying to say.
How do you differentiate? How do you integrate 2 pi?
You can't. Why?
So you take it out
Yes. Why?
because there's no t.
Because it is a constant. Remember, I just now mentioned you always take out the constant.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, no. I don't have a calculator.
Okay, it's fine. We can just stop here. But what is wrong with the boxes that what is wrong with the workings in the boxes?
There's, um. Well, it's supposed to be V.
Sorry?
This is V.
Which one? Yes. Correct. What else?
Why when T is 0, V is 5? There's nothing in, this one is like, here, I should put like the V. Okay.
Very nice. Okay. Let's move on.
Uh,
Part A.
okay. Yeah, this is why I don't know how to do it.
For this, you will have to expand the brackets.
So I expand it first.
Sorry?
I'll just expand it and then integrate it.
Can't hear you, man.
I just expand it and integrate it.
Yes.
What about for B?
You got to simplify it. How are you going to simplify it?
You mean part A or
Part B, part B, part B. Part A is fine.
yeah. Uh do I like take out? No. You mean simplify it? Oh, just do like okay, I get it. So it's you do 3x squared plus 2x times x to minus 1. Right?
No.
Is this no? I thought you could do like 3x squared plus 2x plus 1
This is
times
my clue.
times 1 over x. What? So you split it into like okay.
You understand?
Yeah. So you do like 3x squared over x. Plus.
My God, you're coughing.
Oh my god, I don't have the coronavirus. Just I didn't drink water.
This is it.
Stop! Oh my god.
This is it. Good luck, man.
Shit.
But I sincerely hope that you are fine.
Thanks. I'm not gonna die for it, even if I get it.
Sorry
I don't
again?
mind. Actually, in Singapore, I don't mind getting it. If I'm in Singapore, I don't mind getting it.
Why? You're crazy.
Because I'm not gonna die.
Means if you were to contract it in UK, you're going to die.
Yeah, well, in the UK, you're not gonna get any treatment. You're just gonna get left. Like they're just gonna ask you to go home and self-isolate.
Oh, yeah, because in Singapore you get treatment.
No, I don't have a cough.
But you sound like you have it. This
I
is
don't. Oh my
good luck, man. This is like day what? This is day.
Oh my god, I can't like start developing things after like so
Is this
long.
day 7 already?
No, like well, I isolated in school as well. I was quarantined for like a week in school.
Holy.
Yeah, like the whole school was quarantined.
How many days have you been in the hotel?
Like 5 days.
5 days. Okay,
4
just
days.
nice. The virus is evolving.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, how do you do this? So you do like 3x squared over x. It becomes
Simplify.
what is it?
Simplify it. What is 3x
Okay.
squared over x?
Oh, it's just 3x.
Yes. That's why I refuse to tell you. I don't want to make you feel like you're retarded.
Thanks. Oh my god. Okay, plus 2. Oh my god, I hate this. This thing keeps lagging, so I don't know what I'm writing. Wait, if it's x to the minus 1 plus 1,
Yes.
so I get x to the 0.
No. How do you integrate 1 over x?
It becomes x to
Okay.
the minus 1.
Okay. Differentiating ln x. How do you do that?
Oh
How
my
do you
god,
differentiate ln x?
I can't do that.
You forgot.
Oh, you do differentiate, not integrate. Differentiate, you get let me think. You get 1. I don't remember. I don't remember what I get. Half 1 over x.
Remember, when you differentiate ln x, you get 1 over x.
So if I integrate 1 over x,
So when you integrate 1 over x,
I get ln x.
yes.
No, like, but then I thought 1/x is like x to the minus 1.
Yes. Yes.
But then, so if I x to the minus 1, I add 1 to the power.
Yeah. So
So
if you
like
add 1 to the power, you will get what?
0.
0, right? You add x to the power 0 over 0. Can you do that?
Oh no,
Can you
okay.
divide anything by 0? You are not allowed to. Because
No.
your calculator will give you math error.
Yeah.
Yeah. Understand? So I saw this quote. It says, when you are dead, when you are dead, you don't know that you are dead. And it's very, very hard and painful for the people around you. It's the same when you're stupid.
Thanks.
Just kidding. Okay. Next up. Okay, remember, d dx ln x gives you?
1/x.
Yes. Okay, now this.
No, I hate this. I don't like this question.
What do you mean?
Sam, I'm just not gonna do it. Like all this, all the questions with ease and learn. Like
This is why we have another 7 to 8 more months together.
oh my god, I can't believe God is doing this to me. I swear He canceled the exam just for me.
Just for you.
But everyone is saying like, literally, my teachers were like, "Oh my god." I swear this exam is like cursed for you or something. Like someone probably cursed the exam because the IB was so down to not cancel the exams. They were like, "There's no way we're gonna cancel the exam," blah blah blah, and then in the end they actually canceled it. Great. Okay. I don't know how to do this.
You know.
I don't. I don't know what to do. Like when Ellen learn E to two. Oh my god, this is. What do I
Ln
do?
e to the power of 2t minus 1. Remember, you can bring down the power, right?
Okay. Yeah,
So
but
you'll be
like
getting 2t minus 1
times
times ln e. What is ln e?
1.
Ln e is ln e is log base e, right?
Is it?
Yes, it is. Ln basically means log
Log.
base e.
Okay.
Log means log base 10. You need to know that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so log base e will be equals to 1, like you said.
Yeah.
Log base a will be equals to 1. Log
Yeah.
base b is equals to 1. Log base smiley face is 1.
Yeah.
So can you solve this? I'm sure you can, right?
Yeah. I can.
It's very easy.
Oh, fine. Yeah. This is right.
What? How do you even get this?
Wait, yeah. When you
Lonnie means 1, right?
yeah.
So you'll be left with this.
I thought when you integrate it you have to like
You'll be left with 1. You have
no,
to simplify this part first, right? Before you can even integrate.
yeah, so it's just t squared minus t plus c.
Show me. Shit, I'm coughing.
See, you shouldn't do workouts. You need to you need to have social distancing.
But I do workouts alone.
Well, then you get in contact with other people.
There wasn't anybody when I was running, man.
Yeah, but like you might be running past someone.
I tried to overtake someone.
Exactly, that person might have coronavirus.
Okay.
And I'm just saying, males are more prone to get coronavirus.
Oh yeah, yes, you're right.
Like, cause everyone who got coronavirus around me was a male.
Oh dear.
Oh my god.
I will mail it to you. I will mail my virus to you. I will mail a tissue paper to you.
You know that doesn't work, right?
Oh, why?
It doesn't work that way. The virus would have already died by the time the mail comes.
So actually, technically speaking, we could have reused our mask.
Yeah, you can. That's why, like, did you not hear about the Hong Kong prime minister, or whatever you call her, the governor,
Okay.
was like, she was like, because how like there was like shortage of masks, so she was like, you could steam the mask to kill the bacteria.
Ooh.
But like, you wouldn't want to do that. It's kind of gross. Like, I wouldn't want to reuse a mask. Like, after I use it, I'll definitely throw it away.
I see.
It's gross.
But what if it's like there are really shortage of masks?
Well, there isn't. Like, China is like producing so many masks. Okay, yeah, t squared plus t squared minus t plus c.
Yes.
Wait, do I have to put 1? No. Yeah, no, I don't. Okay, yeah.
No. And your minus sign, can your minus sign be more obvious?
Yeah, it's not. It's normally really obvious. It's because of this. I don't. Yeah.
I think the coronavirus is getting into you.
Yeah, I think it's the jet lag.
Oh my god, I'm seriously coughing, man. Why is this?
I told you it's the run.
Shit.
How many people did you run past?
I can't remember.
Oh my god, I bought the suit, like the isolation suit.
You bought it?
Yeah, like I was supposed to wear it on the plane, but then I didn't because it was like, I'm like, nah. But everyone was wearing it.
You bought it and you wore it on a plane?
No, like many people wore it, but I didn't wear it. Like in the airport, like half of the people.
How much is it?
It's like super cheap on Amazon. It's like what? It was like, I bought it for like $30 for 2.
Well, that's quite cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, show me.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. So you bought $30 for 2. What else did you buy?
And I bought raincoats.
Raincoats?
Yeah, I didn't wear it as well. Because my mom made me buy it.
Raincoats?
Yeah, because like, apparently, because like, after, like, you should just wear it, and then after that, once you get off the plane, just throw it away.
I see. Okay, part A.
Oh my god, this is power 4. So what am I gonna do? I can't expand more. It's gonna take like 10 years. Is there a method?
Okay, if you don't know how to do this, let me teach you. You're not supposed to expand it. Okay?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to expand it.
Yeah.
Okay, understand whenever you have something like that, okay, whenever you have something like that,
Yeah.
understand that everything inside the bracket, okay, everything inside the bracket here is your fx,
Yeah.
okay? So, since we know that fx will be equals to, or rather, yeah, fx is equals to 3x plus 1. Okay, so we need to find the dy dx of this. So when we dy dx, what do we get?
You get like 3x squared. I know dy dx you get 3.
3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Oh, I remember now. It's the guessing method thing.
times 3.
So like
Yeah.
so
Sorry.
you do like
1
dx
minute.
equals to
1 minute. Actually, I
dy
think
over
if I write
3.
this as y, it will be easier for you to see. So dy dx will be equals to 3. So from here,
Yeah.
we want to make
Dx is subject.
dx the subject. So dx
Yeah.
will be equals to
Dy over 3.
1 over 3 dy,
Yeah.
right? Then
Which
after that,
is
from here, we will be replacing back into this. So we will
yeah.
have integrate, because 3x plus 1 is y, so you have y over 4. Then what your dx is has become 1 over 3 dy. So what happens here is that I'm going to bring out the 1 over 3. We have y over 4 dy. Right? So from here, you should know how to integrate. Because integrating y to the power of 4 will give you 1 over 3 times y to the power of 5 over 5
Over 4.
plus c. Is this the end?
No.
No, we have to replace it back. Okay?
Yeah.
So we have 1 over 3, 3x plus 1 to the power of 5 over 5 plus c. 1 over 15, 3x plus 1 to the power of 5 plus c. Okay, I'll run through again. Understand what is your fx. What
Yeah.
is your y here? Okay, so at this step, we are trying to find what is the y. Then after that, we're going to differentiate. Okay, after you differentiate, you're going to make dx a subject. After you make dx subject, this is when you do your replacement. After you do replacement, you can continue with your integration. After you integrate, don't forget to substitute it back.
Yeah.
Okay,
I get it.
so this will be identifying your y. Then this will be differentiation. I'm typing it out here because after that, if you want to review, you can go to YouTube and review it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So over here, we'll be making dx the subject. Okay. So here, you'll be doing your substitution.
Okay.
Over here, you'll be doing your integration. And over here, you got to replace it back. Replacement. Okay. Every step is very clear.
Uh-huh.
Can?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh my god, part B has...
Why not you try this for me?
Try what?
Uh,
This?
give me a bit, I'm going to the restroom.
Okay. Like, you know, like the 1/6 dy? Like, well, what do I do with it? Hello?
Where did your 1/6 go?
I thought you just do it plus c.
Where did your 1/6 go? It's a constant, right? Remember just now I mentioned.
So that you bring it out. Okay. So I don't ignore it. The what? Oh. It's why it's Is this correct?
Wonderful. Okay, now let's take a look at part B. This is correct. This is very good. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Okay. So for part B, okay, so just now for part A, we identify the y to be in the bracket, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So now in part B, where do you think is the y?
E to the 2x plus 5.
No.
Oh, it's just 2x plus 5.
Yes, try that. Show me. Exactly the same steps. Just follow through the same old steps.
So then what do I do with the...
How do you integrate e to the power of x? Okay, let's say we have how do you integrate e to the power of x? Whenever you integrate e to the power of x, it will always give you ex.
So it's the same thing.
It's the same thing. Because when you differentiate e to the power of x, you're going to get ex also, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the only difference is that when you differentiate e to the power of 2x, what do you get?
You get 2x e to the power of x. E to the power of 2x. 2 e to the power of 2x.
Yes.
Because you differentiate to 2x, right?
Yes, correct. But in this case right now, you only have e to the power of y, so it should still remain the same.
Yeah. This is right.
Yes, correct. Okay, now let's try part C. So for part C, okay, let me give you some form of acknowledgement.
Okay.
This kind of acknowledgement is priceless, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So for part C, where do you think is the y?
4x minus 2.
Good. Proceed. You're supposed to take out all constants. All constants.
Yeah, the only constant here is 1 over 4.
You're supposed to take a 3 out as well.
You can't.
No, you're supposed to take the 3 out as well.
Well, oh, but why?
Because it's
It's
a
part of
constant.
like.
It's a constant. You're supposed to bring all constants out.
So it becomes 3 over 4.
Then
And then
integrate.
y to the minus 1.
No, don't. You never write y to the power minus 1. You'll be integrate 1 over y, right?
Oh, so it's a ln y.
Yes.
Yeah. That's it, right? For part B.
Yes, but Kailin,
What?
you need to remember your brackets, man. Because by writing ln 4x minus 2, this will be seen as one term. This is another term.
Yeah.
Get it? Okay. Give you some acknowledgement.
Wait, what?
What? It's correct?
Wait, what? The IB exams are going ahead?
What?
No, bro, this is like a
Are you
joke, right?
serious? Are you serious?
No, my friend just sent me this fucking. Oh no, sorry. My friend just sent me this thing. He's like, wait, what? Wait. Just give
Is
me a
it a
sec.
meme?
Wait. Let me just check the IB website because, like, I'm not down for this. Like,
No, it says that it will no longer be held still. You
yeah,
know,
they said they're not gonna change it anymore.
but 6 hours ago there was an update.
Yeah. Yeah, what? What did they? Yeah, it's no longer held. Yeah, okay.
I think your friend is just trolling you.
Like, oh my god, I seriously don't need this unnecessary like fakeness. Like, like, no. If it's happening, I'm not taking it because they told me it's not happening. Like a week ago. Can't do this, man.
Don't worry. I'm pretty sure it's fake news.
Like, I'm so pissed.
Breathe.
I think that IB actually made me emotionally. I don't know. The IB is messed up.
IB. Okay.
IB. Yeah, IB should add an S at the back. I bullshit.
IB.
S.
Okay, last one.
Yeah.
So what do you think is the Y?
6 plus 3.
Correct.
Wait, if it's y 1/y, then it'll be learn y.
No, you can't do that. You can only learn it if the power at the bottom is 1. Like, you know, when
Oh
you have,
my god, are you serious? She's such a... No,
yeah,
oh my god. I
what?
just remembered today is April Fool's Day.
Oh yeah.
I hate this. It's not funny. It actually gave me anxiety. What the fuck?
Oh
Oh
yeah,
my
oh yeah.
god. Yeah. Okay. Well, so I can't do that. I can't do learn y.
Yeah, you can't do learn. Because the power is not 1. You can only do learn if the power is 1. Understand?
Yeah. Wait, so there's nothing I can do with this.
So you got to change
Why?
this into index form.
Y to the -4, and then you plus 1. Y to the -3 over -3.
Change this into index form.
Doesn't it become y to the -4? Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Hold on, yeah. Nice.
Great.
Great. Okay, I'm going to modify the question a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to modify the question a bit.
Um.
What do you think is the y?
3x squared plus 1.
Good. Carry on.
Wait. If it's oh my god, I'm getting confused by integration and differentiation now. If it's like a 1, you just put an X, right?
When you differentiate a constant, what do you get?
You get uh what? Yeah, you get X. No?
No.
Or it just
When you
disappears.
integrate a constant, you get x. Yes, that's true.
Okay, it just disappears.
Yes, correct. It becomes 0.
Yeah. Oh my god. For Christ's sake. This is okay, so and then I do uh X. Wait, but I still got like 9x cubed, so dx is uh 1/9x cubed squared dy.
Yes. Yes.
And then
Yes.
I do
So what happens here?
I don't know. You do you times x squared with 9x squared. But you can't differentiate anything.
You're supposed, because you see there's this x squared over here, right?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah. You get to combine that together.
Yeah, if you combine that to, no, but this is in the numerator, this is in the denominator.
Yeah. So you get x squared over 9x squared. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the y just remains as the y. Let's see. Which is it right?
So this part, right, you should expect it to cancel out to give you something nice. But over here, you should still have this integration.
Why?
Cancel, cancel.
Oh, okay, because it's still a constant.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
No, but like I already did it from
Hold
y.
on. You should have integrated here. Over here, right? What you should have done is this. So after you cancel out the 2x squares, okay, what you will be left with is 1 over 9y, right? Oh dear. Right? After you cancel out the 2x squares. Hello?
Yeah, I know. That's what I got, 1/9.
Yeah. Then after that, you have to factorize out 1 over 9. From there, from here, then you have to integrate.
Oh. Oh, okay. So you integrate y.
Yes.
So if you integrate y, it's 3x to the 4 over 4 plus plus plus
No, you just
x.
integrate y itself.
Yeah, if you integrate y, it's just
No, you integrate y itself.
oh,
Don't look at this thing.
so you get like y to the y square over 2,
Yes, correct.
and then so wait. So first you take out. So first you take the constants out.
Yes, you always take constants out. You
So
always take
you
constants out.
first you combine the constants and then you take it out. Then you differentiate the y.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then what do you have to do next?
Um. It's just you just sub it in.
Yes, can do that. Yes. Correct. Very good. So this is how you do it, okay? So they are supposed to cancel out. You should expect it to be cancelled out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll try one last one, then we will call this a day. One last one.
Yeah. Um. So wait, is this 3? No. What is it's 3x to the 6 plus 2,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So the y is 3x to the 6 plus 2. Oh my god, what am I doing? If it's e to the y.
When you integrate e to the power of y, what do you get?
You just get e to the power y.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Correct.
Done.
So, do you think you will get the full marks over here?
Oh, and no, I won't.
You won't. Why?
I didn't sub this in.
Exactly.
3x 6 plus 2. Yeah.
Okay. So, I think we can stop here for today.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think our integration is not that bad. Honestly. So, maybe tomorrow we can move on to like the application side.
Okay.
No. There's still something that we haven't done yet. Trigo. Integrating
shit.
Trigo. Yeah,
That's my
integrating Trigo.
problem.
Yes. So you'll be doing integration of Trigo tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright. So
Okay.
I will simply share this on YouTube.
Okay. Is it private?
Actually, it's not. I mean, if you want
Okay,
to private, if you want me to private it,
No,
I don't know.
No, it's fine because like no one would ever find it.
It's true, but currently I have like 40 subscribers.
What?
Can you help me to subscribe to my channel? Thank you.
I think you have like 0 subscribers.
Previously, it was 0.
Are you serious? You have like 40.
Around 30 plus 40. Last
Cool.
size.
Like random people. No, that's so weird.
I'm serious.
Okay, fine. I'll subscribe to it so that I don't have to like.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll stop here.
Okay. Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Enjoy your day in the hotel.
Yeah, I will. I'm gonna take a nap because I didn't sleep all night.
Okay, bye.
Bye.